So after a long wait, we finally have a couple of new images of the DJI Avata 360. Well, technically the box. Whether it's real or not is still up in the air, so we're basically at a 50-50 situation here. But honestly, it doesn't change much because the box doesn't tell us anything. Usually the back of the box lists specs, but these images only show the front, so we're still not getting any real confirmation. Here's what we did notice. DJI usually prints English plus Chinese on most of their Fly More combo boxes, and sometimes French depending on the region. So nothing unusual there. The interesting part is the controller. It's the FPV controller, the same style used for the DJI FPV, Avata, and other FPV drones. But earlier leaks showed the RC2 controller, the one with the built-in screen. According to this new leak, the Avata 360 can connect to Goggles N3 plus Motion Controller 3 for FPV, or fly with the FPV remote controller plus Goggles 3, or even use the RC2. So no contradictions here. Now about those leaked specs. We're talking dual 1/1.1 inch sensors on a 360 plus FPV drone, 2 cameras recording at the same time. You get 38 megapixel photos, 8K 50 frames per second 360 video, and 4K 120 frames per second for standard shooting. There's 10-bit D-Log-M because at this point, if a new camera doesn't ship with a flat profile, it almost feels unfinished. And yes, 120 megapixel panoramas. If you've been paying attention, these leaks line up almost perfectly with the DJI Osmo 360, so this feels like an Osmo 360 just built for drones. For stabilization, you get Rocksteady 3.0 Plus and horizon balancing. Apparently, DJI used LiDAR plus visual sensors to enable full 360-degree obstacle avoidance. Imagine flying in manual mode and your drone still goes, "Nope, not today," every time you get too close to a wall. Battery life? 25 minutes, which honestly isn't bad for a drone carrying dual cameras. Top speed? 27 meters per second in manual, roughly 60 miles per hour, more than enough to get into trouble. And yes, it's using OcuSync 4.0 with a claimed range of up to 20 kilometers. Earlier leaks said the drone would stay under 250 grams, but this one lists 377 grams. Honestly, either could be true. I've been saying from the start, it just doesn't make sense for DJI to cram all of this tech into a sub 250 grams body. The price listed is 6,899 yuan, which converts to around 975 US dollars. Still cheaper than the anti-gravity A1, but we don't know what the full package includes yet. That's everything for now. Thanks for watching. Peace.